So this is a huge project we've been working on slowly over the last year. This used to be an old barn. It's all fallen down. Been pulling all the cinder blocks out. Trying to dismantle all the good wood. A lot of this stuff is still solid. All of this was overgrown. There's a couple trees in here. Cut a lot of it down. There's a tree. There's a tree. There's an old hay track here. Got to denail all these boards. Still solid. So there's troughs on either side of this barn. Goes about 130, 140 feet down either side. The plan is once we get everything cleaned out and dismantled, we'll fill all this in with compost, soil, and wood chips, and we'll plant in them. Big project, little at a time. Another trough goes off. Yeah, looking on the inside, a lot of this wood is still good. Good pile there. You know, all this wood's in great shape for being built over 100 years ago. A lot of the roofing pieces were in good shape still too. Pulled those off and put them on the shed way over there. The bad stuff we just take to the scrapyard. Pull a lot of the nails; those will go to the scrapyard as well. And cinder blocks currently at Lowe's, they're like $2.30 a piece before taxes, and there's probably several thousand still decent cinder blocks. We'll use for other projects. One of the many projects to keep us busy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. A lot of these nails are still good. Some are bent, but we will be able to reuse a bunch of them on future projects. Once we get everything dismantled, we'll get one of those magnetic rollers and go through and just pick them all up. A simple pass. Everybody into antiques?